What you're about to see is a magnificent collection of German-engineered road sedans. Stop us when we get to one you can afford. The Mercedes-Benz 190E, the Audi 4000S, the BMW 325e, the Volkswagen Jetta. It's curious how many people stop us at this point. The Volkswagen Jetta, the affordable German-engineered road sedan.
Welcome to yet another episode of our Volkswagen Jetta revival. In this episode, we're pulling the old engine from the Jetta and making space for the new engine. The first major problem that we're facing is the axle bolts that have rusted out, so we have no possibility to unscrew them. The only option we have is to cut the axles, as we will no longer need them anyway. And that's how you unscrew the axle if it doesn't want to go anywhere. You just cut it off. The second major problem that we had was one of the bolts that were holding the engine mount snapped, and we couldn't unscrew the engine mount. Therefore, we couldn't lift the engine. What we could do, however, was use the same tactic as we used with the axles. We had to cut it out. We have successfully cut out the engine mount, and now we can finally lift the engine.
With their nails done.
That's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you want to see more, you can go to our channel, check other videos, and also it would be really nice if you could hit that like button and that little subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.